So guys, good evening to all of you.
Very
So
good evening, sir.
today we will discuss the guidelines of your B.Ed third sum examinations, right, bache? So this is your skill in teaching examination. Basically, you should know that in our last lecture, we discussed about what you have to prepare, right? I think you all have come to know that you have to prepare 3 files, हाँ? जो आप अपना टीचिंग प्रैक्टिस में आप जा रहे थे, and you have to come up with the complete with the 3 files, right? And teaching 1 file, teaching 2 files, and third paper is your
Community
engagement with community. Okay, so I need little bit आपका भी interactions मुझे चाहिए. Okay, so there are 3 papers, right? So in a teaching 1 paper, what you have prepared? There are how many lessons you have prepared?
40 lessons.
40
lessons, huh? I have already discussed है ना in the last previous lecture. And teaching 2 में भी आपको you have to make 40 lessons. ठीक है बच्चे? And second, third में you have to make a engagement with community file, right? अब little bit we talk about वो जो 40 lessons हैं, what is the bifurcation of that? 40 में भी आपको
and then journals.
2 discussions and 38
discussion lessons
journals
and
and
38.
Yes. Okay. I say each and everything. Okay, then I can ask from you also. Okay, out of a 40 lessons, you have to make a 2 discussion lesson. Starting के आपके 2 discussions होने चाहिए, right? Okay, 38 आपके होने चाहिए general lessons, and last में you have to prepare the observation lesson, right? So basically you have to prepare 3 files: teaching 1, teaching 2, and engagement with community. Right, guys? Now, just I want to ask, how many from all of you have prepared the 3 files? Yes. अपना name लो, ऐसे बोलो कि sir, I'm Kalpana. I have completed the 3 files, right?
Sir, I'm Kalpana. I have completed my all 3 files.
Okay, you have, ma'am, you have made your 3 files.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you checked your all the 3 files from the college?
No, sir. No, sir.
Not
Sir,
yet.
I'll go
Okay.
on Monday.
Okay, you are going to Monday. Okay, yes. Similarly, essay. Okay.
Sir, I'm Mansimrat. I have prepared all my 3 files,
Okay.
and I have preliminary checking. I have checked from them, but the final checking, they said they'll be sending you the details, and then you have to go for that.
Okay. मतलब one time you have visited the college and your file has checked, and they are saying that the final date they will tell you. Okay, on which date you have to come for final, है ना? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anybody else? Yes. Or
Manpreet here.
हाँ
So
Manpreet,
I have
आपने
completed all the 3 files, but yet to be checked.
okay, yet to be checked. Okay, Shreya, सभी बोलिए. At least you can put your audio on. Yes, Shreya.
Sir,
Nidhi,
Nitika, all 3 files are done.
done.
Only
Very good.
observation is left.
Observation is left. Okay, good. चलिए वो हो जाएगा. Okay.
Shreya,
Anybody?
2 files are done.
Shreya, 2 files you have completed. Only 1 file is left. Huh? Which one, Shreya? Engagement with community या teaching 1?
Teaching 2, sir, maths 1.
Teaching 2. Okay. जल्दी बना लो आप थोड़ा सा.
Yes, sir.
You're going. हाँ जी. Next, Nidhi.
Sir, all 3 files complete.
All 3 files completed. Very good. Ankisha.
Yes, sir. All files.
Completed all the 3 files. Tarannam madam. Gurpreet madam.
Sir, I have completed 2 files. Community engagement is left.
Done वो तो बन जाएगी, छोटी सी फाइल है. हाँ जी, आप मैडम, आप एमपी मैडम, आपको ही पूछ रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir. I complete 2 files, sir.
2 files. Okay, one
Only
is left.
one.
So basically guys, theoretical work you have completed. Okay, there are 3 files. Okay, अब हम इसके आगे. Okay, today I discuss in my lecture. Okay, 3 files you have completed. What we have to do further? Okay, so please note. Okay, all you should have the copy and pen. Now guys, we have to prepare our final lesson plan, right guys? Okay, means you have to prepare teaching 1 ka ek final lesson plan you have to prepare. You have to prepare second lesson plan of teaching 2, right? And as far as third paper is concerned, engagement with community, iska jo hoga, it would be the viva. Okay, examiner will ask the question from your file, right? What you have made in the engagement with community. He can ask about what are the community services, okay? What are types and others, means whatever you have written in your file. So only on the day of your exams of engagement with community, you have to prepare the Viva. You should be prepared for the Viva, right? And rest of 2 file, suppose we talk about teaching 1. Okay, I'm taking the general example of SST English because many students have opted the SST English, right guys? If you have the science or math, okay, so you can compare accordingly, right? So when we talk about the SST, suppose teaching 1 sheet has come and you have to go for your first paper, teaching 1 SST, right beta? So what you should have in your mind, in your hand, number 1, you should have a teaching 1 file of SST, right? Having a 40 lessons plan. And second, you should have a final lesson plan which you have to present over there, right? And that lesson plan should be handwritten, right? There should be 2 copies of that lesson plan, right? Along with, you should have teaching aid of that lesson plan, right guys? So what you have to do when you will visit your respective colleges, okay, where you have got the admission, so on the day of your teaching 1, you have to go over there. You should have teaching 1 file plus a lesson plan which you have to present over there along with the teaching aid, right guys?
Yes.
So what you have to do over there, when you will reach on time, you have to see your roll number over there, okay? According to the roll number, you have to go particular room, okay, to teach over there. And already guys, वहां पर there would be a students already honge, school students, okay? You will find the school students in every room of the college, okay? And according to your roll number, you have to visit the class. For example, you are teaching 1 SST lesson plan, your timings are allotted 10 to 10:30, right beta? So what you have to do, you have to go to a particular classroom and you should start your lecture, right? Because your time slot is 10 to 10:30, right? What happens over there? There would be an internal examiner, there would be external examiner, okay? They are rounding, they are checking, 1 by 1 room, okay? Sometimes, they come in the class there are 2 rooms in the classroom, na? Okay? And from the second door, they can come and they can stand behind all the students and they can check to you, okay, how you are teaching, right guys? And they have the list and others. So according to your teaching, they will put you your marks, right? Same process would be in the teaching 2, right? And as far as the third paper is concerned, engagement with community, I have told you it would be only Viva, right guys? So second thing, today I have told you, all of you have to prepare your final lesson plan, right? Now I discuss what are the guidelines, okay, you have to follow while delivering your lesson plan, right guys? So you have to go according to the university criteria. So first of all, there are some points, you can even write that point, that will really very helpful to you, right guys? So number 1, you have to present the lecture of a 25 or 30 minutes first of all, right? So my request is to all of you, prepare lesson plan at least duration of time 25 to 30, right? Number 1. Number 2, in your lesson plan there should be a teaching aid, right? And teaching aid, guys, it should be a model, not the chart, okay? Make a model, right? And sometimes students ask, sir, model should be on thermocol. It should not be, you don't have to use the thermocol, you have to use the hard bound sheet hoti hai na, this we say like gatta type, right? You have to use that for the model, right? Next, you have to make a eye contact with the students, right? Suppose in the class, for example, I'm standing here, Hana, and mere piche kya, this is a blackboard. I have to use the blackboard also in 25-30 minutes, right? This is your teaching aid basically, right? Model is your teaching aid as well as blackboard is also your teaching aid, right? तो ब्लैकबोर्ड को ओके आई आस्क one question from you. Blackboard is your audio aid या visual aid?
Visual.
Visual aid, sir.
Visual aid. जो आपका मॉडल है, मॉडल is your audio aid या visual aid?
Visual aid.
Visual.
Right? So you have to use this Blackboard also during your 25 or 30 minutes, right? And you have to make the eye contact. Basically, this is your place, okay, where I'm standing. So you can use this place, okay. You can go here and there. Okay, guys, have you understood? Okay, tell me the meaning of this, the meaning of this. Okay, well, you don't have to stand on a first एक ही जगह पे खड़े होके, है ना? You don't have to, deliver your 25 or 30 minutes. There should be activity, है ना? At least you can move that. This is your place over, right? Means you should be energetic on that time when you have to deliver your lesson. There should be eye contact with all the students. Even guys, I have checked because some of your videos I have checked. So collectively, I'm giving you the feedback, right? So usme kya feedback hai, which is the important? Means I have seen that you take a lot of pause, right? So you don't have to take long pause, right? Long pause nahi lena hai, at least, because it is only one lecture you have to prepare, and you are, if you are asking the question, okay, student is not responding, so at least you should help to the student, okay? You don't have to take long pause. Even when you are writing on the blackboard, while writing, you have to speak also, right? Okay, because I have seen your lectures, some takes, long pause, right? And number third, pitch, what you are speaking, your pitch level. Pitch level, it should be like, when you are announcing the topic. So guys, it should be high. It should be high, right? It should not be the same in all the 25 or 30 minutes, right? Because when after asking the PK testing, so what you are doing?
Announcement of the topic.
Yes, you are announcing the topic. When you are announcing the topic, so what happened? So pata to lage na, you are announcing the topic.
Yes.
You are asking the questions. So this, or same tone may you are, announcing. So, your tone should be high, little bit high. And, overall in all your 25 or 30 minutes lecture, your voice level, it should be at least, it should be listened up to the last bench student, okay, who is, sitting behind, right? So, because I don't want to take the name, right? But, I have seen, many videos because you are sending me for, okay, sir, please improve that. So I'm telling you collectively, I'm giving you the responses, right? So your voice level, it should be listened up to the last bench. Wahan tak aapka hona chahiye, right? And last 5 minutes, you have to recapitulate your lesson, okay? So you have to give time over there, okay, in order to evaluate your lesson. And after that, you have to give the home assignment, right, guys? Attire jo hai aapka, attire, it should be like a school teacher, right? So these are, some of the points, after finishing my lecture, we again discuss in the query sessions, okay? Because I know that, you have, some queries, so you can ask from me, okay, what would be the queries? And, one more thing, if you have the model, suppose you have in your hand the model, and you enter in the class, your timing is, for example, 10 to 10:30, right? You enter in the class and you see over there that if there is no nail over there, to hang your model and others, so you can, put your model on the chair also, in fact, okay? If you have to show your model for 1 minute, for example, so you can call any of the student, hey, student, please come here, and, you can take help of the student also. Right? But again, I'm telling you, you don't have to take long pause, because you are taking long pause. I have seen that. Matlab you stuck, because beta Flender, educationist, Flender has said that if you are taking a long pause, that means your lecture is not prepared well, right? If you are your voice is not clear, thodi si fumble, kaam ke aa rahi hai, so that means it is not clear. So try to clear, you should have the mastery on your lesson plan, right, guys? So these are the important guidelines which you have to keep in your mind while during presenting your lesson, right, guys? Same thing would happen in the teaching too. And as far as your third paper is concerned, engagement with community, you have to prepare the viva what you have written in your in this file, right, guys? So this is end of the lecture. So today in my last lecture I told you about the what you have to prepare. You have prepared all the files. Today I have discussed with the final lesson plan how you have to prepare, right, guys? So thank you so much. Now I want to take your queries. If you have the queries, one by one you can ask, and where you have reached, right, guys, and which thing you want to ask from me. Okay, guys, now it is up to you. Yes. Hanji, yes, you can ask any of the questions.
सर
Hanji,
सर आपने कहा एक फाइन
नीतिका मैम पूछ रही हैं. हाँ जी नीतिका
हाँ
मैम.
जी फाइनल लेसन प्लान बनाना है. एक तो मैंने लिख लिया जो कॉपी पे लिखना था, उस पे ही दूसरा लिखना है.
कॉपी पे नहीं लिखना मैडम इसको. ओके, you have to make lesson plan on the loose sheets. Okay, purchase the loose sheet from the market, right? One
A4
lesson
size
plan, one lesson plan, how many pages it takes?
9.
9 तो बहुत ज्यादा हो गए, around 5 or 6 हो गए.
5
6 or 7 लेते हैं,
तो
right?
मेरा
5 to
9 है.
6.
If you have the 9 pages, so then no problem. Okay,
ओके जी.
so purchase the good quality sheets from the market, like drawing sheets होती है ना, right?
Yes, sir.
So it should be thick, थोड़ी सी मोटी होनी चाहिए, right? And you have to take the loose sheets. Suppose you have taken that 9 or 10, for example. So
Okay.
you have to make the lesson plan on the 10 sheets. After making the lessons plan, it should be in the cover. It should be in the file cover.
Folder.
हाँ?
Okay.
Transparent cover भी है. It is available in the market. हाँ?
हाँ
You
जी.
can put in that over there. Okay, sometime it depends upon your creativity, how you make it and how you bind it, right? But it should be attractive. There should be a two means one lesson plan, but you should have the 2 copies of lesson plan, and it should be handwritten. Okay, and final lessons plan, you can use the 2-3 pens also, Hana? You can underline also. For example, when the examiner will see, he'll come to know that okay, person has done a lot of things on the lesson plan, because this is your final lesson. You don't have to prepare for the theoretical exam. It is your final exam, right, Nitika ma'am?
सर उसके दोनों बार A4 साइज शीट चलेगी प्रिंटर वाली?
कोई भी ले लो. It is your creativity.
तो
Okay.
सर जो आपने कॉपीज भेजी थी कि इन पे लेसन प्लान लिखना है फाइनल, उन पे नहीं लिखना?
उसके ऊपर भी मैडम आप लिख सकते हो. मैडम, if you have the personal question, right? So if you have the long questions, many questions, you can discuss after the class. No worry, right? But in a class, discuss means what you have done, okay, and how you have to prepare. So I think it would be more useful, है ना? Right? Okay, means हाँ, उसके ऊपर हम बात करें, that would be more benefited. Okay, but whatever, because many students having the personal questions, है ना, from where I have to make and others, so we can discuss later on also. You can call me personally anytime. Okay, so in a class we discuss. If you want to speak any of the person, if you want to present, तो present करके मुझे दिखाओ. Okay, in the class. So today we do that thing.
ओके सर, रिकैपिचुलेशन के लिए भी चार्ट बनाना है?
रिकैपिचुलेशंस के लिए मैडम आप बना सकते हैं. मैडम, दिस इज
हाँ.
योर पर्सनल क्वेश्चन. मैं वही बता रहा हूँ.
आई थॉट ये सबको हो सकती है क्वेरी. ओके सॉरी.
हाँ, आप ना नितिका मैम, व्हाट यू डू, मतलब आई वुड बी मोर हैप्पी इफ यू प्रेजेंट हियर. ओके, ओपन योर कैमरा एंड स्टार्ट योर लेक्चर, है ना, सो दैट बिकॉज आई कैन इवेल्युएट यू, बिकॉज वी हैव ओनली 1 hour class, है ना, so that the main thing is your presentation. No doubt other things you have to make. Okay, yes, anybody else? Yes, हाँ जी मनप्रीत, आप
हाँ जी सर.
आप बताएं. You want to ask? Yes, कोई अपनी पीके टेस्टिंग से रिलेटेड, कोई ये लेसन्स प्लान से रिलेटेड. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी, हैव यू फाइनलाइज्ड योर लेसन?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I
Yes,
shared
sir.
with
यही
you.
बताइए. yes, हाँ यही बताओ आप. ओके, कौन कौन से लेसन्स हैं? Yes.
In science, I have taken planets, and in English, I have taken articles.
Very good, ma'am. And you have prepared the video?
Yes, I prepared and I shared also.
Okay, right. Okay, yes. Anybody else? Okay, Manpreet madam ने तो prepare भी कर लिया and she has shared also. Yes. और Chitna ma'am आप?
Sir, I have prepared for fractions in maths, and for science it would be friction, but I have not prepared that yet. But I would be doing that in a day or two. Fractions ki video I have shared.
हाँ, you have
Right,
shared
sir.
with me ना fractions video. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Yes. हाँ जी. और अनिल मैडम, तरन्नम मैम, अंकिशा, कल्पना, निधि, गुरमीत.
Sir, I'll be
Mansimrat.
sharing the videos within 2-3 days with
ठीक
you.
है, finalize कर लो मैडम. Ma'am, you want to ask anything related with the lessons plan and others? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Huh? You have understood now? Okay. Which things you have to keep in your mind? This is the most important, right? Sometimes क्या होता है, means you are working on your lessons plan, है ना? Sheets, you know, like the Nitika ma'am was asking, okay, on which sheet we have to make. So you can make on any of the sheet. Does not matter. Okay. What matters?
Presentation.
Presentation. Yes, presentation matters basically. So give focus. Now you have prepared your files, huh, guys? So now give focus on your presentation. Make your presentation interesting, right? अब बताओ आप how many students you have, you know, in the panel, okay? मतलब if you have prepared any of the lessons, so you can show here, na? Okay, you can discuss with me. अभी कोई भी है, if you want to speak, if you want to present anyone, you can present here. Yes. So you want to present from all of you? Manpreet, Chetna madam आपका prepare हो गया है, ठीक है? तो right? If you want to present, तो present here, madam, right? तो ये जो hitch है, इस चीज को ही तो हमें दूर करना है ना, right? मतलब you are sending to me, but you are not presenting in the class, है ना? That means your lecture is not prepared. Huh? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
है ना? It should be prepared every time. It should be prepared. Okay?
Correct.
Yes. हाँ जी. Nitika, Mansimrat, Gurmeet ma'am. So we wind up our topics, today's topic, right? Okay. So today we have come to know that while delivering the final lesson plan, which things we have to take care of that. You know, I have discussed all the things in my lecture, and in the next lecture, guys, what we will do, many students have sent the video, many are left. Huh? So every guy should be prepared with the final lesson, and in the next class, we start with the presentation by the student, right? Okay, guys, thank you so much to all of you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.